Hi, my name is Harv Eker. Let me ask you a question. How would you like that I teach you how to present more effectively so more and more business comes to you? I am the founder of the international workshop Speakers and Leaders. And this international workshop has been listed among the best workshops in the planet, along with the workshops of Anthony Robbins, Harv Eker, Kiyosaki, and more elite speakers in the planet. Now, these are the three things that you're gonna learn in the Speakers and Leaders workshop. First thing, you will learn how to do this killer presentation. This presentation that you will share with the world over and over and over again, giving you this huge result that you really want. This killer presentation that will take your business to the next level. The second thing that you're gonna learn in the Speakers and Leaders workshop is how to share your message effectively. How this message that is inside you can reach a wider and wider audience of people. It doesn't matter where they are. More, you will learn how to go to the stage and actually do it, because this is not a listening workshop. This is speaking workshop. So you will be speaking on the stage not one time, not two times, but 4 times on the stage, there and then, so you can improve all the skills required for you to become a world-class international speaker. The third thing that you're gonna learn in this amazing workshop is that when you're there on the stage, we have an amazing team of photographers, videographers, and all the media personnel ready waiting for you. So when you are on the stage, they can take the real amazing picture and the amazing video that you will use in your social media and in your website to give you more and more and more speaking gigs. All these will be provided for you at the Speakers and Leaders workshop. So click right now, enter your name and email address right now to find more about this amazing workshop and all the bonuses that we have ready for you, that we have prepared for you, so you can have the outstanding experience. You can have the amazing experience of your life speaking on the stage, practicing over and over and over, so you too can become a world-class international speaker. Click the link below, enter your name, email address to find out more, and see you at the Speakers and Leaders. Your voice can transform the world.